and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Attention marketers ready to make serious money online. Imagine this, selling over 1 million high-quality media assets as your very own and unlocking a whole new level of online profits. We're not talking about just any assets. We're talking about a massive collection including vector illustrations, stock images, video footage, premium audio files, 4K Ultra HD videos, logo templates, animated graphics, vector images, and so much more. Here's the deal. The key to making serious money online often comes down to one crucial factor: selling your own product. When it's your product, you not only establish yourself as an authority, but also pocket a sweet 100% of the profits. And guess what's currently ruling the online world in 2024? Visually stunning media assets. Think vector illustrations, videos, images, avatars, and graphics. The kind of content that not only grabs attention, but also skyrockets conversions. Why? Because people love it. Studies show that across all content types, visuals boost viewer engagement by a whopping 80%. Couple that with the current surge in digital marketing, and you've got a perfect storm for selling visual products online. Now, here's the snag. Crafting top-notch media assets manually is a Herculean task, and outsourcing can cost you an arm and a leg. But fear not, because we're handing you an incredible, profit-packed opportunity on a silver platter. Full unrestricted private label rights to a colossal visual product that not only sells like hotcakes, but also paves the way for profits in just 4 simple steps. Here's your roadmap to success. Step 1, download our market-ready product. Step 2, slap your name on it. Step 3, upload it on your server. Step 4, watch the profits roll in, 100% yours to keep. Say hello to the best collection of high-performing premium media assets. With unrestricted private label rights, a visual treasure trove for you to rebrand and resell, ensuring a steady stream of profits. Inside you'll get Module number 1, Bakery Food Vector Illustration. Module number 2, Bathroom Vector Illustration. Module number 3, Fast Food Vector Illustration. Module number 4, Fresh Fruits Vector Illustration. Module number 5, Groceries Vector Illustration. Module number 6, Kitchen Asset Vector Illustration. Module number 7, Images Stock Footage. Module number 8, Video Stock Footage. Module number 9, Premium Audio Files. Module number 10, 4K Ultra HD Video Footage. Module number 11, Logo Templates. Module number 12, Various Animated Graphics. Module number 13, Various Vector Images. Module number 14, Animated avatar. Module number 15. Motion background videos. Ready to turn this incredible package into a lucrative venture? You can sell it to anyone you want and keep every single cent you make. It's the cost-effective and proven shortcut to bypass the entire process and jump straight into seeing dollars pile up in your bank account. No product creation, no outsourcing hassles, and no prior marketing experience needed. Everything you need for success is right here in this package, and it's available at an unbelievably low one-time price. Act fast before the price doubles or more. Grab instant access to this incredible offer below.